Hello guys, in this tutorial we will talk about a clear method which basically deletes all the elements. So we are going to go ahead and use this method in an example to illustrate what a clear method does. So first thing first, we are going to go ahead and create a set of, of the string values. So I will go ahead and create a set of string values, and the name of my set is set again. And I will go ahead and use, is the same syntax. Set has the same syntax that we have used in the list. Just replace the list word with the set word. Everything remains same. So we are going ahead and create a set of strings, and the name of my set is set. So in order to add the element, I will just use the add method, and I will just say element1. Then I will go ahead and other element here. So I will add couple of more elements. Let's just copy this. B. This is element 2, 3, 4, and 5. So these are the elements that I have added in my set. So now I'm going ahead and do system.debug to display all the elements. So elements in my set. So how many elements are there? There are 5 elements. So I'm going ahead and just display all the elements. And if I wanted to go ahead and display the size, so what will be the size? System.debug size of my set. So what will be the size here? I'm going ahead and call the size method at set dot size, and it will display me the size. The methods are very similar to what we have used in the list. And if I have a duplicate, let's say I have a duplicate here. Let's say I have duplicate here, and that will not add it in the set, because you already know, because set always contain unique values. Set always contains unique values. Now, after we have done this, the next thing is we are going to go ahead and call the clear method. So in order to call the clear method, we'll just say at set.clear. What will it do? It will remove all the elements. Not only one element, it will remove all the elements in the set. Elements in the set. So this time, if you go ahead and try to display the elements, there will not be elements, and size will also be 0. So let's go ahead and execute. So first thing, these elements got added. Then here, what will be the output? The output will be all of these elements, but this particular element, which is a duplicate, will only appear once. And then the size would be 5, because you have 5 unique elements. So it will be 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. And then once you call the clear method, it will delete everything. So the new set will not have anything in it. So there will be the empty list. So let's just copy this and paste here. And the size would be 0. So let's go ahead and match if it's the right answer. So we are going ahead and the same better. Now we get to debug only. So let's see if it matches. So first thing I have told you that first is element 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So all the elements got added. So as you can see, the fourth element only appear once. Even you have tried to edit it twice. So it's a set. Now size at this point is 5. Okay, because it did not consider the duplicate. After you have called the clear method, now it is empty. There is no element in the edge set and the new size is 0. So there is no element, so the size of my set is equals to 0. So this is clear method in set. So now if you go ahead and replace the same thing with the list, you know what will happen. It will allow to have duplicates and the size would be 6. Clear method will delete everything because clear method can remove all the elements, and at this time the size would be 0 again because you are using the clear method. So now if I go ahead and execute list, the only difference will in the output would be this element 4 is appears twice. Total elements are 6. Elements, when you are trying to display after the clear method, everything got removed. The new size is 0 because there is no element left in that list. So I have shown you how the list behaves and how the set behaves. So let's meet in the next tutorial. Till then, have a good day. Bye.